This one's probably going to flex your use of the manual a little bit more because it's been so long since you've done stuff like this. Okay? Simplify and evaluate the following expression. So how much experience do you all have with logarithms? There we go. Now you're remembering it. There you go. Okay. Let's sort of write all this out. Okay. Let's start off with. Let's just write it out. Okay. So log base 3, or the base 3 log of 3/2 plus the base 3 log of 12 minus the base 3 log of 2. Now, I'm going to start off by keeping this pretty basic and look at, okay, that is the worst bracket I've ever drawn. Look at that. Okay. So here I've got a term where I'm taking two logarithms that are the same base, that are of the same base, and I'm subtracting them. And I propose that the properties of logarithms tells me that if I have the log of A minus the log of B, it is the log of A over B, A divided by B. So this is, or this term becomes, we have still over here log of 3/2 plus the log of 6, because 12 over 2 is 6. Likewise, if I have the log of A plus the log of B, it is the log of A times B. So I propose then that we have the base 3 log of 3/2 times 6, which is the base 3 log of 9. Make sense? Now, there are ways that you can evaluate this with your calculator. Some calculators will be able to handle a logarithm of any base. Some won't. But what I would prefer to do, since this is a mathematics review, is I would like to recall or remember just what the hell is a logarithm. A logarithm is an exponent or an exponential just written another way. I propose that if the base 3 logarithm of 9 equals x, then x is whatever that magic number needs to be such that 3 raised to the x is 9. That, in other words, these two equations are saying the same thing. And I don't think you need a calculator to tell me what's the answer to that question. 2. Not too bad, right? Yes, sir.
I think, I'm not sure which way it goes, but it's like log base 10 of 3 over log base 10 of 9 is the same as that.
Yeah, it's the change of base formula. And I believe that the change of base formula is, in fact, in here. Yeah, it's right here. The
log base B of x equals log base A of x.
yeah, so if you've got, so if you want, you can say the log base 3 of 9 is, let's say, the natural log of 9 over the natural log of 3. Or, you know, base 10 log or whatever. Base 10 being your common log, base E being your natural log. Yeah. All right. Sound good?
Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. Click below and subscribe.